Hi guys, I'm Claudia. Welcome to All Things Hair channel. I'll be showing you my haircare routine and how I create this look. From this to this. If you want to see how I created this look, please watch on. So I just washed my hair with the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. It's super nourishing for my hair. I've got pretty greasy hair on the root and then super dry ends. So I've doubled up on this conditioner just for 10 minutes before washing it off. This brand is 100% vegan. The bottles are 100% recyclable. It's biodegradable formula. So all the good things in one bottle. So because I haven't used a hair mask this time, I'll be using this leave-in conditioner from Nexus. I directly spray it to my hair, a generous amount, especially on the ends of my hair. I let this sit in my hair for 5 minutes and then I put an extra conditioner from Nexus. This is a lightweight conditioning mist, so I kind of go all around my hair, including roots. Smells amazing. And this way I get heat protectant in my hair. So I leave it on for around 10 minutes before hair drying. As you can see, my hair is completely dry now. It feels super nice and nourished, even though it looks super frizzy. That is the one thing I struggle with in a summer heat. Before curling my hair, I always section my hair to top and bottom. So I just kind of go where my ears are. Pull this bit out. It doesn't have to be super smooth. It can just be really messy. It doesn't matter at this point. Have this little half up, half down situation going. There we go. I'll be using a barrel without a clamp so it doesn't give you that weird kink at the end. So I just section my hair to around this much. My curl is upside down, twist around and leave. So as you can see, you can get this nice beachy waves, kind of curls in between. It's super natural, and I'm going to carry on all around my hair now. I'll release the top half. And because I have a lot of hair, I sometimes, as you can see, sometimes kind of go in again and part the top layer of my hair as well before curling it all over again. So I will repeat the process. Not curl my hair like this for months now. In fact, I have not touched my hair with any heat till the past 3 months, so this feels quite nice to kind of feel back to myself. And yeah, I really missed my hair being nicely styled and curly, so this would be quite cool. To keep with this natural theme, I usually go I curl my hair inside or outside, and there's not a particular rule of how I go about it. Again, so the more messy, the better, as if you have not put in 2 hours of your time, effort. And this is the look. God, I have so much hair. Like, this could be someone's hair. This. Okay, so these two parts, I'll just part this, keep it this way, time being, and this part I always do at the end, and I curl them upwards so they flow in the same direction. Okay, so now the hair is super curly, I'm going to finish up with the top part of my hair. So like I said, I just have it nicely brushed. Use my curler this way, curl it up, leave it for 10 seconds. This way we're having this perfect little curl that falls into the right direction. Okay, so we're going to leave my hair to cool a little bit before brushing through it. We'll also be using this Headrush Shine Spray with Superfine Mist from Bedhead. This is a really lovely spray that I've been using for years and years. I remember using this when I was in high school, so this is definitely a cult product that I've been using in my hair. The formulation of this product is super light and it gives you a really nice shiny hair throughout the day while setting it. We're going to mess these up while spraying the product into the hair. You can see the volume and kind of texture that it gives out. It feels super, super silky, super smooth, and for somebody who has bleached hair, this is a perfect product.